I can tell by the questions that I receive that people are very concerned about the world we're living in right now. Oftentimes I hear people say, this is not the country that I grew up in. But it's the questions they get from their children, from their friends, from their grandchildren, and they don't know how to answer those questions. Hi, I'm Jeff Cavins from the St. Paul Seminary and the Catechetical Institute, inviting you to a tremendous experience to go deeper into your faith and to learn your faith. This fall, we're starting a new class. It's a 2-year experience that goes through the entire catechism, and every class has a name. This class will be the class of St. Maximilian Kolbe. Give me just a moment to tell you what this is going to look like. We're going to have the 4 pillars of the Catholic Church taught to you by some of the great teachers in the Archdiocese of St. Paul in Minneapolis. We're going to have 4 modules, 11 weeks each, and they're going to follow the 4 pillars of the Catechism. You know, the Catechism is more than an encyclopedia or a book that we just look things up in. The way that it is put together, it is really a story. It's a story that we enter into these 4 pillars, and it's really meant for us to be formed as disciples and to receive the answers to the questions that our culture has today. Now we're going to have 11 weeks on every single pillar. We're going to be meeting at night, and we're going to have small groups. You're going to receive a lot of material, and every Monday you're going to get together and you're going to have a lecture, you're going to have small group experience, and twice in each of the 4 modules, you're going to have an opportunity to meet on a Saturday where we have a reflection. We go from the head to the heart. Now, when you're done with this, you're going to have a really good grasp of the faith, and you're going to know how to share the faith with other people. Archbishop Hebda is going to give you a certificate of completion, which is a beautiful statement that you have taken the time to go deep into the faith and to learn it, and hopefully to put it into practice and then pass it on to the next generation. So I hope you'll join us at the Catechetical Institute. We really look forward to meeting you. Information is at cistudent.com, and share this with other people that might be interested as well.